Welcome back. Now I will be talking about different encryption systems. Encryption comes to algorithmic method, which converts clear text to indecipherable form or to non-readable form, which gives strong privacy to the organization. Users who receive encrypted data, the word is known as key, to decrypt the data and eventually restore the data to its original or plain text, original format or plain text. The key which is received by the recipient is the initiating method of algorithm. Encryption method is divided into two categories. What's wrong with this? Encryption is divided into two categories. The first one is two categories. One is symmetric, and another one is asymmetric. Symmetric and asymmetric. The symmetric algorithm uses only one key. Uses only one key to encrypt or decrypt the data which is shared between both sender and receiver. So this key is used by both sender and receiver to decrypt, to encrypt or decrypt the data. So mainly this symmetric algorithm uses only one key which is shared between sender and receiver, and the same key is used to decrypt or encrypt the data. The systems which offer symmetric method, the system which offer this symmetric algorithm are Blowface, EES, and DES. These three systems provide symmetric algorithm or encryption. Asymmetric algorithm. Asymmetric algorithm uses two keys. Two keys, or a pair of keys. Pair keys, which is called public and private key. Mainly, asymmetric encryption algorithm uses two keys or a pair of keys, which is known as private and public, public and private key, or private and public key. The system which offers public and private key are mainly known as these are the main systems which offers asymmetric and asymmetric encryption, RSA and Diffie-Hellman. These are the main two systems which supports or provide asymmetric encryption systems. Now I'm going to talk about RSA, public and private key. Asymmetric algorithm. RSA public and private key. RSA stands for RSA is the name of those people or individuals who established or invented this encryption. There were three people who invented this or developed this in 1977 with the name of Ron Rivest Adi Shimmer Adi Shamir and Leonard Edelman. So mainly the R stands for Ron Rivest, S stands for Shamir, and A stands for Edelman. How the private and public key works. The public and private algorithm uses only the numbers, prime numbers. This uses only prime numbers. Prime numbers are those numbers which are only divided by itself or 1. Divided by itself or 1. This the theory behind this prime number is that it makes it impossible for hackers or people who wants to try to get into to guess or find the encryption. It makes it hard for them to guess the numbers, the encryption, which means this method, asymmetric public and private, this makes it better, the prime number makes it better than symmetric encryption. How does it work, public and private key? Public key is a key which is shared between the public, like it's publicized. Everyone can use it, but the private key is private. Private key, only the person who will be encrypting or decrypting the data, he will be available to decrypt or encrypt this data. So only